Hi and welcome back to my channel. For today, I'll begin with a question. So the question is, what is most powerful in the world? Option A is manpower, option B is brain power, and option C is willpower. The answer would be option B, brain power. Now, let me start today's video with an example. Here are two girls, Ava and Charlotte. Ava and Charlotte are both struggling in science and their exam is around the corner. When Charlotte and Ava both got their results, Ava failed, but Charlotte passed with flying colors. The reason behind Charlotte's this success is her mindset, or the way she thinks about science. Well, in the case of Eva, the reason she had failed is because she thought negatively about science while Charlotte hadn't. Now, let us bring down the term brain power to the term mindset. Now, since you have known the term mindset, let me tell you that there are two types of mindset. One is the fixed and one is the changed. The definition of mindset in this case would be either to give up on science or to keep trying to stop. First, let us talk about the changed mindset. The changed mindset, or in other words, a mindset which is ready for any good change to occur. Well, let's take Charlotte for an example, as she's a person who changed the way she thinks. In this case, she was weak in science and her teachers often said that you need to practice and you are weak and nothing can be done, but these comments cheered her up. So these comments cheered her up in a way where she thought that she would prove the people that she can do it in science and she can score in science. And she did actually. Now, coming over to the fixed mindset, which is a mindset which is not really good for your health. So we should try avoiding it most times. However, there's some people who have fixed mindsets like, I'm good, and I can do it. And that's a fixed mindset which is good. Let us zoom out from the term mindset to the term brain power. Well, there are some ways to increase your brain power. In fact, not just some, but infinite number of ways. But here I'm going to give you only 3 main ways, which are eat well, sleep well, and exercise. You might have heard these few words a lot of times, but they are really important to follow. Now, there are a few exercises which you should do in order to improve your brain power. So here they are. First comes walking, followed by planks, and then you have meditation. They will help you a lot and make a huge improvement to your life, so try them. Now next are the food items you should be eating in order to improve your brain power. They are dark chocolate, nuts and seeds, blueberries and oranges, and last but not the least, broccoli. Last but not the least, let me tell you something about the factor of sleep well. As for newborn babies or babies who are 3 months old, 14 to 17 hours or 11 to 19 hours of sleep is necessary. Now we move on to 4 months old babies or 11-month-old babies. Then they would need 12 to 15 hours or 10 to 18 hours of sleep. Now talking about the 1 and 2-year-olds, they would need 11 to 14 hours of sleep or 9 to 16 hours of sleep. Now moving on to the 3 to 5-year-olds, who need 10 to 13 hours of sleep or 8 to 14 hours of sleep. So, as for the 6 to 13-year-olds, they would need 9 to 11 hours of sleep or 7 to 12 hours of sleep. Now, for the 14 to 17-year-olds, they would need 8 to 10 hours of sleep or 7 to 11 hours of sleep. As for the young adults, which are aged 18 to 25, they would need 7 to 9 hours of sleep or 6 to 11 hours of sleep. As for the 26-year-olds to 64-year-olds, they would need 7 to 9 hours of sleep or 6 to 10 hours of sleep. Last but not the least, the people who are 65-year-old and above, they would need 7 to 8 hours of sleep or 5 to 9 hours of sleep. Before I leave, don't forget to check out my Instagram account and my Twitter account. You can find the link of my social media accounts and my website in the description box below. So don't forget to check it out. Now, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon beside it. Also, do remember to hit that thumbs up button and don't forget to share my videos as sharing is caring. So, by clicking the notification bell and turning it on, it would simply encourage me to put more of this fun facts video. And yes, whenever I make a new video, you'll be the one to receive the notification. So, what are you waiting for? Go click the bell right now, or else you miss out. See you soon. Adios, amigos. Bye.